Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey to an era that changed residential architecture forever. We're exploring the beautiful and enduring world of mid-century modern house designs. So, what exactly is a mid-century modern house design? It's an architectural style that originated in the post-war era, roughly from the mid-1940s to the late 1960s. The design philosophy was a reaction to more traditional, ornate styles, favoring a more streamlined, functional, and forward-thinking approach. The core principles include simplicity, clean lines, and an emphasis on integrating the home with its natural surroundings. These homes are often characterized by their flat or low-sloped roofs, expansive windows, open floor plans, and a thoughtful use of both natural and man-made materials. The style was created to feel accessible and optimistic, perfect for the modern family looking for a new way to live. Why is mid-century modern design still so popular today? The benefits are a testament to its timeless appeal. A primary advantage is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. This is achieved through large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and integrated patios, which blur the lines between inside and out and make the home feel larger and more open. Secondly, these homes are designed with a focus on functionality and simplicity. The open floor plans make for a great flow for entertaining and daily life, while the use of simple, clean lines prevents visual clutter. Thirdly, the use of natural materials like wood and stone adds a sense of warmth and authenticity, grounding the modern forms in nature. This creates a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Finally, the style's emphasis on natural light and ventilation can lead to a more energy-efficient home when properly updated, which is both good for the environment and your wallet. Decorating the exterior of a mid-century modern house is all about enhancing its key features. The goal is to maintain the clean lines and connection to nature while adding curb appeal. A great way to do this is by choosing a restrained color palette. Use a mix of materials like natural wood siding, painted brick, or a light-colored facade. This contrast highlights the architectural forms without being overwhelming. Minimalist landscaping is crucial. Instead of elaborate flower beds, opt for simple, geometric-shaped lawns, drought-resistant plants, and clean walkways made of concrete or stone. A pop of color on the front door can be a great way to add personality and a focal point. Think of vibrant orange, turquoise, or yellow. Finally, don't forget lighting. Use subtle, upward-facing lights to highlight the home's roofline and architectural details, and a single, stylish pendant or sconce to illuminate the entrance. The goal is to create a sleek and inviting exterior that honors the home's iconic design. Now, let's look at some incredible examples that beautifully capture the essence of this timeless style. Here are our top 10 best mid-century modern house design ideas to spark your imagination. One, low-profile mid-century modern house with a wide overhang. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a quintessential mid-century modern house. This single-story, low-profile home features a mix of a light-colored facade and natural wood siding. A key element is the prominent flat roof with a wide overhang that provides shade. The front of the house has a series of large windows that open up the interior to the lush green lawn and mature trees outside. A stone wall adds a natural texture to the design. 2. Elongated mid-century modern home with vertical wood siding. Coming in at number 2, this elongated, single-story home is a perfect example of mid-century design. The exterior is a clean mix of a light-colored facade, expansive glass walls, and warm vertical wood paneling. The house has a flat roof with a significant overhang, providing protection from the elements. The home is set on a lush green lawn, surrounded by trees, with a sleek, minimalist patio in the foreground. 3. Spreading mid-century modern house with dark wood accents. At number 3, we see a sprawling, single-story mid-century modern house. The exterior features a light-colored facade with contrasting dark wood siding. The home has a distinctive flat roof with a large overhang and a small, covered entrance. The front of the house has large windows that look out onto a well-manicured green lawn and a backdrop of tall, mature trees. 4. Two-story mid-century modern home with a balcony. For number 4, this home takes the classic mid-century aesthetic and adds a second story. The exterior is a mix of natural wood siding and a clean, white facade. It features a flat roof with a subtle slope and a large balcony on the upper level with a sleek glass railing. The house is surrounded by a lush green lawn and is set against a forest, blending modern lines with a natural setting. 5. Low-profile mid-century modern house with a gray facade. Our fifth spot presents a stunning low-profile, single-story mid-century modern house. The exterior is a mix of a sophisticated gray facade, warm natural wood siding, and large windows. The house has a flat roof with a wide overhang. The home is surrounded by a perfectly manicured green lawn and mature trees, and a wooden deck extends from the living space, creating a seamless flow to the outdoors. 6. Modern mid-century home with a covered patio. Coming in at number 6, this single-story, low-profile house is a beautiful representation of the style. The exterior features a mix of a light-colored facade and natural wood siding. It has a distinctive flat roof. The front of the house has large windows that open to a covered patio area, which is perfect for enjoying the outdoors in any weather. The home is surrounded by a lush green lawn, trees, and a clean concrete path. 7. Dark exterior mid-century modern house. At number 7, this single-story, low-profile home makes a bold statement with its dark, possibly charcoal, facade. The exterior is a mix of the dark facade and natural wood siding. It has a flat roof with a deep overhang. The front of the house has a series of large windows and a glass door that opens to the outside. The home is surrounded by a lush green lawn and trees, with a stone or concrete path leading to the entrance. 8. Mid-century modern home with stacked stone. For number 8, we have a beautiful single-story, low-profile mid-century modern house. The exterior is a mix of a clean white facade, natural wood siding, and a striking stacked stone or brick wall. It has a flat roof with a large overhang. The front of the house has large windows and a wooden patio deck, creating a warm and inviting entrance that is surrounded by a green lawn and trees. 9. Mid-century modern house with a wide roof overhang. Taking the 9th spot is a single-story, low-profile mid-century modern house. The exterior is a mix of a light-colored facade, dark wood siding, and large windows. The house has a flat roof with a very wide overhang that provides ample shade and a sense of architectural drama. The home is set on a lush green lawn and is surrounded by trees, with a clean concrete path. 10. Multi-level modern house with a cantilevered section. And finally, at number 10, we present a multi-level modern house with clear mid-century influences. The exterior is a clean white facade with extensive glass walls. The house has a flat roof and a cantilevered upper section that extends over the lower level. It is built on a sloped site and is surrounded by a natural, wooded landscape. A wooden deck and a glass railing on the upper level provide a perfect vantage point. And there you have it, 10 incredible mid-century modern house designs that prove this style is not just a trend from the past but a timeless classic. It's a design philosophy that champions simplicity, functionality, and a beautiful connection to the natural world. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern mid-century house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.